You've just returned from an epic trail run in your Wrangler, feeling both exhausted and proud. But as every off-roader knows, these adventures put extra strain on your vehicle. Transform your Jeep Wrangler JL into the ultimate off-road machine with the Racer High-Top Body Kit from Air Design. Our Racer High-Top fender flares are built for real off-road action, offering a wide vision range and increased ground clearance to accommodate larger off-road wheels and tires, and longer travel suspension systems. Integrated DRL lights in the fender flares ensure better visibility of the road ahead. The Racer High-Top fender flares are paired with inner fender liners that provide top-notch protection against road debris, with impact-resistant construction made out of heavy-duty engineering polymers, all while keeping your ride looking sharp. Enhance protection further with our Air Design door moldings, which shield the sides of your Jeep from dents, scratches, and trail hazards. Available for both 2-door and 4-door models. Add an instant bold upgrade with our Air Design Power Dome Effect Hood Scoop, giving your Jeep a powerful, aggressive look that commands attention. Finally, our Air Design front grille features a hexagonal pattern to improve airflow and cooling, preventing radiator overheating while driving at lower speeds. Explore these accessories and more at airdesignusa.com.